It's easier, y'all. It's easier. Can you believe that? The longer you flip, the easier this gets. And like, I think over a very long period of time, it could get harder because there'll be more and more people doing it. But one of the things that people struggle with when they get started is that they're like, this is hard. There's no good deals in my city. There's a lot of people. What's up, RSG? What's up? Freaking savages. Savages, I'll tell you. Y'all check into the couch flipping webinar I did on my YouTube channel with RSG. It's freaking awesome. And so it gets easier because here's what happens. More people know you do it. More people need services from you. More people know that you buy. So you get regular people that hit you up, and not necessarily regular every day regular, but every 6 months, every year, and you add the cumulative effect of keeping on doing something over a period of time, and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and just snowballs and snowballs and snowballs. More store connections, more individual connections, better prices, better methods of like fixing things and maximizing profit, taking advantage of short-term opportunities like I posted about yesterday that you're going to have to hit me up about. Dude, we made $6,000 in 1 week off of a temporary opportunity. And so it gets easier because then I can take that money. I can not only buy more phones, but I can also afford to pay people to help me to where I can look in new areas. I can form new relationships in different cities, different states. I just picked up a phone in another city. I think really the only thing you have to do is decide what lane you're going to go in and do your best to stick to that lane. And so one of my buddies was saying that the thing he messed up is that he started jumping on different trends within the industry, and that messed him up. Oh, yeah. Okay, $6,000 extra profit in 1 week. So extra profit on top of regular profit. Yeah, it's like, that's pretty wild, huh? So almost an extra $1,000 a day in profit. And that's like, let's just say, I was already going to make $100 on each phone, and then I made 100 extra. So I don't know, $12,000. We hadn't done the numbers yet. It's pretty wild. But that's the kind of stuff that I teach, and that's the kind of things I teach to people that have been my students in the past or current students. And so I don't always throw those things out to the streets for everyone, because I like to help people that I like to help, as opposed to always just helping every single person ever, like I normally do. And so you find better short-term opportunities, better long-term opportunities, better ways of maximizing your profit. When you're able to maximize your profit, then when you need to, you're able to afford to pay more. Then you have more money in cash. It's just like any one of those angles alone would double your business. But if you do double times double times double, that doesn't mean you get 300%. That means you get 2, 4, 16. And then 16 times 16, whatever that is. That's what, 250? Something like that. 225 is 15 times 15, 16. Anyway, I'm not going to get all nerdy on y'all with the math, but it doesn't do, you don't do 1 plus 1 plus 1. It's like squared. You're squaring these numbers. And so meaning if I make 20% more on my phones, which leads to 100% more phones in a year, and I buy phones from 20% more people, that doesn't equal 140%. That equals some crazy number. It's called geometric growth. I don't even know how to do the math, but it's wild. And so if you're struggling now and you're newer, you just have to realize that you're just going to have to hang out longer. And there's ways to accelerate that. You can work harder. You can be likable and get more connections quicker than maybe the next guy. But it's not some magic. It's not some magic out here that people like maybe me or anyone else is hiding from you. And the longer you stay in, the more people that you know within the industry that tip you off to stuff, the more friends that will tell you anything and everything awesome that's going on, and you can hop on that immediately. And hell, I don't even catch all these things. I miss some of them. But that's it, guys. I got to run. I'm about to sell a couple of phones. If you need anything, let me know.